welcome back to English Material for Students. Please enjoy the video. Today, we will be learning about checking one's understanding, yang artinya mengecek pemahaman seseorang. So, let's get the lesson. When we give an information or explanation to someone or others, it's sure that we want to our information or our explanation can be understood by others. For that, we need to check whether someone has understood our explanation or not. Checking one's understanding, mengecek pemahaman seseorang. Do you know what is the definition of checking one's understanding? Checking one's understanding is an expression that used to check the understanding of someone about something that we said. Mengecek pemahaman adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk mengecek pemahaman seseorang tentang sesuatu yang sudah kita katakan. To check someone's understanding of our explanation or our information, there are some of expression can be used in English. Untuk mengecek pemahaman seseorang atas penjelasan kita, ada beberapa ungkapan yang bisa digunakan dalam bahasa Inggris. The first one is, do you understand? Saya yakin 90% dari kalian pernah mendengar ungkapan ini sebelumnya, karena ini yang paling umum digunakan. Apakah kamu mengerti? The second one is, do you know what I mean? Apakah kamu tahu maksud saya? The third one is, do you get the point? Apakah kamu paham itu? The fourth one is, do you understand what I'm saying? Apakah kamu mengerti apa yang saya katakan? Semuanya ini sama ya. Intinya itu adalah, apakah kamu mengerti? Kamu mengerti nggak? Nah, selain yang 4 tadi, ada tambahannya lagi ya, yaitu do you follow me? Apakah kamu sepaham dengan saya? Any question? Apakah ada pertanyaan? Is it clear? Apakah itu jelas? Selain mengecek pemahaman seseorang, kita juga pasti akan memberikan jawaban apakah kita paham atau tidak. Apabila kita paham, kita bisa menunjukkan beberapa expression atau ungkapan yang menyatakan bahwa kita paham. Showing understanding, menunjukkan pemahaman. Here, there are some of example of showing understanding. I understand what you are saying. Saya mengerti apa yang kamu ucapkan. I know what you mean. Saya tahu maksudmu. I know what you are talking. Saya tahu apa yang kamu bicarakan. I understand. Saya mengerti. I see. Saya tahu. I get it. Saya memahaminya. I know. Saya tahu. So that the example of showing understanding that can be used in English. Expressing lack of understanding, mengungkapkan kurangnya pemahaman. Here, there are some of example of expressing lack of understanding. I don't get it. Saya tidak paham. I don't follow you. Saya tidak sepaham denganmu. I'm not sure I get your point. Saya tidak yakin saya memahamimu. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Maafkan saya tidak mengerti. What do you mean? Apa maksud kamu? So, that the example of expressing lack of understanding that can be used in English. Let's see another video of checking one's understanding.
Sorry to bother you.
It's okay. What's up?
Can you tell me how to answer these questions?
Let me see. First, you must read the text. Then you should read the questions and focus on the paragraph. Are you with me?
What do you mean by focusing on the paragraph?
Well, to find the answer to question number 3, you must focus on paragraph 2.
I see.
And to find the answer to question number 4, you must understand the whole paragraph. Are you with me so far?
I'm not sure I can get your point.
Well, you must understand the story before drawing conclusions.
Oh, I know what you mean, thanks.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you.